Hi, my name's Simon from Motodrome. Excuse me. Now today we're going to take a walk around and a drive of this Triumph TR2 that you can see lurking behind me here. Two videos, one walk around, one driving, plus a bit of starting and idling action at the beginning of the driving video. We're going to do the walk around inside because it's a bit windy outside, so it's a bit too noisy for the camera. So hope you like it. And the other one. Right, quick video of start up and idling on this TR2. Ignition on, ignition light comes up as it should. You don't have an oil pressure light on these, you have the oil pressure gauge instead, which is that one. Starts nicely, settles down to a nice idle. Now we'll show you under the bonnet. And here we are with this TR2, idling nicely. Nice engine bay on this one. Doing what it's supposed to do. Modern fuses. Fitted with waterless coolant. That's the original chassis plate up there. Yeah, it's rather nice. Right, we'll do this driving video of this TR2. I won't do a commentary when I'm driving because we haven't got the roof and side screens on. And it's very windy, so you won't be able to hear me anyway. But I'll just go through what we've got. I've used this for a bit of trundling around for the past couple of weeks, and it's been absolutely spot on. Really nice. Engine starts on the button, no signs of any misfiring, hesitancy or overheating. Clutch and gearbox are nice. Overdrive does kick in. Takes a little while while the oil's cold for the overdrive to click in, but it does eventually once it's warmed up properly. And it just trundles down the road really quite happily. No issues whatsoever from that point of view. Steering's nice. Everything is as it should be. Showing just over 1,000 miles. That's gone round the clock. It's actually 101. We'll call it 102 once we've rounded it up. But yeah, she's a lovely old thing. Anyway, let's fire it up. Get it going, then I'll shut up and drive. So, ignition light comes up as it should. You don't have an oil pressure light on these. Starts nicely. These do sound good. Settles down to a nice idle, and off we go. So I think there we have it. Hope you enjoyed that. I certainly did. Blew a few cobwebs away.